15 minutes lagen your 4 nafar drop.
अभी तो लोग गाड़ियों में गए हैं, लिफ्ट गंडोला में गए हैं, but for to go in a helicopter, it's a totally different lifetime experience. My name is Majeed Bakhshi and I am from Kashmir. And honestly, like this aircraft was for skiing, to drop up on the mountain and then ski down. And from couple of years now, we are using it for local tourists in Gulmarg. And we are a huge number of tourists arriving every day in Gulmarg. And अभी बहुत टूरिस्ट ना इसमें एंजॉय भी कर रहे हैं. इट्स फर्स्ट टाइम हैपनिंग इन कश्मीर, तो अच्छा चल रहा है.
तो क्या वर्थ है इस प्लेन की?
ऑलमोस्ट $5 million.
तो कैसे आपने सोचा कि दिस इज द राइट बिजनेस टू इन्वेस्ट इन?
It's pretty risky business because if you don't have experience in this business, then you can do properly. But if you have experience, you will manage to handle an aircraft here. Cost भी ज़्यादा है तो manageable है then.
How many employees do work here?
Almost like 20 to 30 employees.
And
we
do
have
you
here.
have pilots, co-pilots?
We have 2 pilots here. Always one pilot is flying and then one is having rest.
So, where did you get the design of this plane?
This is designed in France, Airbus. तो उन्होंने ये पेंटिंग वेंटिंग की है. It is for mountains और इसमें लाइन भी है ऊपर. तो it's an Indian painting, but it was painted in France.
तो कैसे ये टूरिस्ट को अट्रैक्ट करता है to this destination?
This is a pretty new adventurous activity. और अभी तो लोग गाड़ियों में गए हैं, लिफ्ट गंडोला में गए हैं, but for to go in a helicopter, it's a totally different lifetime experience. We charge pretty minimum amount like 15,000, 11,000 and 8,500 rupees. These are the 3 prices we are having in Gulmarg. 15,000 may we drop at them at Sunshine Mountain, and after a couple of hours we bring them back to here.
Do you plan to add more to your planes?
Yes, couple of places we're going to start hopefully this year or next year in Sonmarg and in Pahalgam and also in Kedarnath. So we are planning to do also flying there.
What are the safety precautionary measures taken in the plane?
We are taking very serious precautions, no compromise with the safety. So Hamesha safe here. We did not have a single incident for last 14 years.
And we are the first people to go onto the sunset viewpoint today, and it's worth the experience. And we could see all the mountains and the Himalayas around, and the people over there also are very excellent. It's my parents' 30th anniversary, so we came here to celebrate it, and we love the experience of the helicopter ride. And the sunset viewpoint is beautiful. No people around, but amazing. After coming over here that there's a helicopter ride to the sunset point.
So do you think it's worth the money?
Yeah, it's completely worth the money.
So do you plan to come other time and do the same thing?
Yeah, definitely.
It's worth the kick?
Yeah.